Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And in this video we are going to see how we can use @if for and custom directories and switch also. In the previous video you have seen that how we used ngFor and similarly how to repeat the things in the ngIf, but all was fine. But in after Angular 17, a new template the directories structure has been launched, and that is really amazing, because if you come from any programming background, and of course you might be coming, then working with the simple if and else it is easier. But in the previous one, particularly if you have any if condition, else condition, then else condition we will have to write separately, right? And if condition we were writing, and else condition you have to create separate template, so that was a bit difficult. But in this one, using this @if and else, it is really very amazing, and I will show you that same. Remember, this is continuation of the previous video, so in case if you have missed this ngIf and other directories, so I strongly recommend you that check that video first. But if you have already checked that video, then this one will be easier for you. So now the idea is mainly what we will be replacing @if, for, switch, etc. with ngIf, and this one means earlier version has *ngIf, *ngFor, but this version, the newest, the latest version, which is provided by Angular 20, and it has been coming since Angular 17. It is a really very good. So we will see that how we can convert all these things. So let's come here, and you will see in marks.component.html. let's come back here, marks.component.html, in this one. So now let's check here. So here you can see in earlier version how we were writing ngIf average, then else part. This is actually a template, right? And that template we are writing here below. So it was not possible to write in same if else format, and this one also else format. Here once again you can see this else format we were using like this. So same code we can convert with a new template, and you will see it is really very amazing and very short and easy to understand. Now let's see the code. The same code we can convert here with this one. Now you will see this is short as well as easy to understand. Okay, you can see this is the code template. From starting from here, there is definitely the more code is compared to this one. It has only 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, you can see, and there is not much code there as well. It's very easy, and there are just like other programming language. So if average greater than 90, then show this, else if, show this, else this. So it is, if you know JavaScript or TypeScript, then it is much easier to understand rather than using this one. So in the future, actually why I covered both, because in case if you see the backward compatibility means previous version, then you can understand that okay, this is also the format of writing. But in the future means for using Angular 20, 21, 23, whatever version you will be using, I strongly recommend to use this format, because as you can see it is easy to write, easy to understand as well. So guys, if you see here, then it is much easier, you will see, as compared to this one. So what I will do, just let's delete everything, this one. And there is one drawback here also. You can see we are writing the code inside tier tag. But if you come from programming language like any JavaScript, PHP, then what we do, we write the loop above the HTML code. So that is the syntax we will be writing here also. And one more thing, we will keep only the CSS part, this class part. Just let's demo all this ngFor. Okay, so it will be here. Now what we need to do, we will be writing same thing here with this one, @4, then all the things will be same. And one more thing, this curly braces will close here. So the name is different or what? Why there is error? Okay, there is one more mistake. Actually you will have to apply here @ also, such as @late. So wherever you see late, you will have to apply this @. So of course here will be also fees late @. Yeah, this one is not required actually. And one more thing we need to write here, we have to use here track for tracking. So the final call will be for fee of monthly fees, okay, and then track fee dot month, and then @late I index. So remember, this will be inside this after for loop. is on odd, late is in even, and finally we are calling here. So this is the syntax of writing new way. The question is, why do we need this? Why we are writing this? So we are telling the Angular that okay, how this fee will be uniquely identified, or means for unique identification of this fee, we are saying that track fee dot month. So to uniquely identify this, we write here track this. Now let's see this ngSwitch case. If you see, we are almost doing the same thing. Average greater than equal to 90, then this else if, you can write more and more else if. But what if you have several conditions? In that case, what you can do, you can use here switch case rather than if condition. So you can see switch case true. So what we are doing, true case average greater than 90, then show this one case average 80. So this is the way of writing, and this is the default one. So switch case can be written like this in the new way, and as you can see, it is easier to understand and also easier to write. So guys, that's it, the templating. And you can see, you might have seen the previous version and this version is totally different, and it is much more much easier as compared to the previous one. So definitely we will be using this format ahead, and I also recommend you to use this format rather than the previous one. So guys, let's meet in the next video. By the time so let's wrap this up, and if you have any question, queries, don't forget to ask me. So stay connected. See you in the next video. Bye bye.